Welcome back. It's now time for your lunchtime sports. The second and final test between the West Indies and host Australia is intriguingly poised, with the Caribbean side reaching 13 for 1 in their second innings at stumps on day 2 of the day-night encounter in Brisbane. They lead by 35 runs. On what was an enthralling day's play, the West Indies were first dismissed for 311 in their first innings after zooming on 266 for 8. Debutant Kevin Sinclair carried on to a maiden half-century and even 50 after zooming on 16. Now, he shared an important 31-run ninth-wicket partnership with Kemar Roach, who was run out for 8. Mitchell Starc took 4 for 82 for the Australians, while there were 2 wickets each for Josh Hazlewood and Nathan Lyon. Australia then replied with 289 for 9 declared in their first innings after recovering from precarious positions of 24 for 4 and 54 for 5. Now, their recovery was led by knocks of 75 from Usman Khawaja, 65 from Alex Carey, and a critical 64 not out from captain Pat Cummins. Alzarri Joseph took 4 for 84 and Roach 3 for 47 for the Windies. The Windies then got to 13 for 1 in their second innings when stumps were drawn. Tejan Chandapal, the man out. The Australians hold an unbeatable 1-0 lead in the 2-match series. Now, the West Indies on the 19s secured their spot in the Super 6 stage of the ICC Youth World Cup after defeating England on the 19s by 2 wickets in their top-of-the-table Group B match today in Potchefstroom, South Africa. Chasing 193 to win, the young West Indians posted 196 for 8 or 41 overs to achieve victory. And they were led by Captain Stephen Pascal, who made 58, and the player of the match, Nathan Edward, who ended unbeaten on 49. Jordan Johnson also made 31, while fellow Jamaican Adrian Ware failed to score. Tazim Chaudhry Ali took 3 for 34, and fellow spinner Farhan Ahmed 2 for 33 for the English. Now, earlier, centre-back England on the 19s were dismissed for 192 in 46.3 overs. Hanja Shaikh top scoring with 54, while Noah Tain he made 40. Nathan Edward was the pick of the young West Indian bowlers with 3 for 40, while there were 2 wickets each for Azar Thorne, Ronikio Smith and Tariq Edward. The result means the young West Indians are rather likely to finish second in the group via net run rate behind England, who are also on 4 points. Athletics now. Jamaica's teenage sensation triple jumper Jaden Hibbert has decided to join the professional ranks. 19-year-old Hibbert, who has signed with the Preeminence Sports Group, which announced his addition on Instagram on Thursday. Last year, Hibbert had signed an NIL contract with German sports apparel company Puma during his freshman year at the University of Arkansas after producing marks of 17.54 meters, a World Under 20 and NCAA record to win the NCAA Division I indoor title. He followed up by winning the outdoor title with a mark of 17.87 meters, which is also a World Under 20 record. Hibbert will still be attending and training at the University of Arkansas, where he is in his sophomore year. He had capped off an outstanding freshman season by winning the coveted Bowman Award. He also made the final for the triple jump at the Budapest World Championship, where he had to withdraw due to injury. And, that is it for your lunchtime sports. And I am Jermaine Brown. Shane, back to you.
Thanks, Jermaine. And that's the Midday News. I'm Shane Masters. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports and production teams, have a good afternoon.